Galaxy Fold.
With the Galaxy Fold, we're creating a new dimension for your phone. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable. When the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly next-generation experience. One never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. Thank you. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones, making it incredibly responsive. The Galaxy Fold is incredibly versatile. It's a smartphone, a tablet, and a camera.
We have all the usual suspects here. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action, starting from $1,980. You can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.
It all begins now with a new family of Galaxy phones and devices. Ladies and gentlemen, please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Now, we're introducing a next-generation smartphone. Now, the S10 screen covers the full front of the phone from the top to the bottom and from side to side. The sensors and the front camera have been seamlessly integrated right into the display itself. Today, we're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED. This display also supports HDR10+. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. With the S10, we're introducing a camera that lets you capture memories like a pro with a single device. And that's all thanks to our brand new next-generation triple rear camera system. For capturing everyday moments, you have the wide-angle camera. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. I'm thrilled to tell you that this photo was taken in Spain with the S10's brand new ultra-wide camera. The S10 is the first mobile device in the world capable of recording video in HDR10+. The videos you take with your S10 will be brighter and more dynamic than any video ever taken on a smartphone. Now you can finally take action footage right from your smartphone. The S10 shoots super steady videos on par with what you'd find in most action cameras. We're excited to tell you that we've partnered with Adobe to create a version of Premiere Rush optimized for Galaxy smartphones. Just shoot a few stunning HDR10+ videos, cut them together on your S10, and share them instantly on social media. It is that simple. It also helps you take exceptional selfies because of the significant improvements we've made to its front camera. We've added dual pixel technology, which lets you take better pictures in low light and significantly improves autofocus. The S10's front camera supports UHD video, so you can capture high-quality content.
So the S10's camera will have a new mode, and that mode is going to be called Instagram mode. So when you take a picture with this great camera, easily access Instagram stories, use our creative tools, so stickers, music, and more, and then share with the people that you care about on Instagram.
To bring Galaxy users more power and more storage. And today, with the Galaxy S10 Plus, you can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of base storage. It also comes with our standard micro SD slot. Its new processor enables up to 29% faster CPU speeds and 37% faster GPU speeds than the S9. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. Lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. Our S10 lineup supports fast wireless charging 2.0. which can charge from 0 to 100 up to 36% faster than before. We're pleased to announce that the S10 is the first ever mobile device compatible with Wi-Fi 6 because it works 4 times faster in crowded areas. And we've designed 3 different models so you can choose which version is right for you. The S10 offers a premium Galaxy experience with all the features you've come to know and love over the last decade. The S10 Plus supercharges that experience, giving you more screen, more cameras, and more battery. And the S10e has all the essentials in a more compact form factor.
With one click, I can easily zoom in, but then I can go ultra wide, and now you can see a lot more.
By introducing our new line of next-generation wearables. First up, the all-new Galaxy Buds. These wireless earbuds deliver a premium audio experience with sound by AKG. We built them with adaptive dual microphones, one on the outside, one on the inside. We created a high-efficiency chipset for the Galaxy Buds so you can take up to 5 hours of calls or stream up to 6 hours of music on a single charge. The Galaxy Buds come enabled with Bixby, so you can control them with your voice. And starting today, you can give Bixby instructions in 3 new languages: German, Italian, and Spanish. This case supports wireless charging for the very first time. That means you can charge it using wireless power share with your S10. And today, we're expanding that ecosystem with new wearables. Here they are, the Galaxy Watch Active and the Galaxy Fit. The Galaxy Watch Active is slim and lightweight. Galaxy Watch Active is also 5 ATM water resistant. It has an intuitive user interface, so it's easier than ever to check your stats in a single glance or swipe. But if you want a wearable dedicated just to fitness, then the Galaxy Fit might be the right fit for you. At 23 grams, the Galaxy Fit is durable and water resistant. And with a long-lasting battery, you can keep it going for about a week on a single charge. Your Galaxy products easily connect to one another from the moment you take them out of the box. All he has to do is open the lid of his case, press one button, wait for it, and the buds automatically pair with the tablet. Let's say while he's watching this video, gets interrupted by a phone call. Using call message continuity on the Tab S5e, he can answer the call right from his tablet. He can have a conversation using his buds, and when he's finished, he can get right back to the video. If the battery is running low on my Galaxy Watch Active, I can get a charge from Josh's S10.
And now, let's try charging Alina's watch. And you place your device on the back of your phone. Boom.
Whether you want a premium smartwatch or a straightforward fitness band, there's a next-generation wearable that's perfect for you.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy S10 5G. Pretty amazing, right? The S10 5G has hyper-fast speeds that will forever change the way we consume content. You'll be able to download and watch movies at phenomenal speeds and stream games on demand via the cloud. All your favorite content will be accessible in an instant. The S10 5G comes with a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, as well as a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. To power these experiences, we outfitted S10 5G with a cutting-edge camera system that includes a powerful new 3D depth sensing camera. For example, you can add things like background blur to your videos in real time. It maps and measures the world around you in incredible detail and accuracy. It's designed for a hyper-connected world where everything and everyone is right there at your fingertips.